And just like that, we're live. Let me just make sure that we are live. I don't want to be talking to myself. Because it happens. It happens. Yes, I think we're live. Oh yeah, baby. Let me just tweet out the stream real quick. Hey! DS. Hello, Joe Peterson, and hello, Dada. I should have said hello, Dada, first because he's been first and he claimed to be first. He planted the flag. Hello, how's everyone doing? Let me just real quick tweet the stream out because that's how I roll. Levy, hello, welcome. How are you? Alright, so it has been tweeted. Supposedly. Let me lower the volume on my headphones because they're quite loud and they're distracting me. What is this? Hey, Jackhammer, what is this? Retweeted your stream. Thank you so much. Just wondering, are you ever going to do Hoen's Shiny Star giveaway? Yeah, I will do it one day. Yes, but it's got so much more difficult for me to do it now. It's ridiculous. I had to update the DS that I stream from. So in order for me to do a giveaway now, I need to create the Pokemon on another DS, and then I have to move them over on the DS that I'm going to be streaming from. It's such a hassle, and yeah, I need to dedicate like an afternoon to do this. That is why I've been delaying it so much. But it is going to happen, Joe. That is a very good question. I'm doing great. I've been feeling this game now. I practiced this on my PlayStation 1 offline. So yeah, let's go. I bought this off eBay and it wasn't cheap. Rebirth. I'm not going to be skipping the cutscene. Angelo! Hello! And how are you, Mr. Jackhammer? How are you? I'm going to be playing with the girl. It's Jill. But yeah, I'm not going to be skipping the cutscenes. I'm going to be skipping the lures though. Let's go. I'm going to be quiet now. Yeah, I'm going to go for the rebirth so we can actually play with the touch stuff.
Alpha Team is flying around the forest zone situated in northwest Raccoon City, where we're searching for the helicopter of our compatriots Bravo Team, who disappeared during the middle of our mission. Found it? No, I haven't found it yet. Bizarre murder cases have recently occurred in Raccoon City. There are outlandish reports of families being attacked by a group of about 10 people. Victims were apparently eaten. Bravo Team went to the hideout of the group and disappeared.
Look, Chris!
Sorry, I'm being quiet. I just like to watch the cutscene. Take it all in. Emily! What is this?
It was Bravo Team's helicopter. Nobody was in it. But strangely, most of the equipment was still there. However, we soon discovered why.
Hey! Come here!
Dragonzord! It sounds like Dragonzord, come on. Listen carefully. The dog's cry sounds like Dragonzord.
No! Don't go! Jill, run for that house!
Chris Redfield. Jill Valentine. Barry Burton.
That honest trailer game voice. Honest trailer voice. Rebecca Chambers in a world. Joe, I already answered your question actually. I think you weren't here, but I answered your question already. And I hate repeating myself. President Evil. I already said I will be doing one, yes. So, hello George Gomez, welcome. Sorry, I just missed your name up there. Went up the chat. And how you been, Angelo? Like we need an excuse to have wine. Come on.
Wow. What a mansion.
Captain Wesker, where's Chris?
Stop it. Don't open that door.
But Chris is...
And yes, Jack, we need to do that co-op. How about this week? Can you do it this week?
Now, Jill, can you go?
I'm going with you. Chris is our old partner, you know.
Okay. Let me handle this.
That's okay, Joe, no worries.
Stay alert.
Stay Albert. Let's skip doors. I can skip doors. That's awesome. Alright, so let's get used to the controls real quick. I'm gonna check with Sakura Jack. I wanna see what her, because she's like the weirdest time zone. So this is how you run. Okay. I'm just getting used to the controls so that I can... Are you 5 or 6? I was thinking Operation Raccoon City so we can play all of us together. What do you think? I'll check with Sakura. Quickly, I'm trying to get used to the controls. Alright. Alright. How's the knife? There you go, that's the knife. Nice. Alright, we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's go.
What?
What is this? He always, what is this?
What is it?
You feel older. Green blood.
Clues. We'll be examining it.
It's so awesome. Green blood.
It's not Chris's blood.
How funny. I don't think it's Chris's blood. It's green, buddy. I don't think it's even blood. But anyway. Good one. Nah, you don't feel older because you had your birthday. As if. Come on. We're actually older every day, but anyway. Watch out for the head. Watch out for the head. Watch out for the head. There it is. I'm not gonna bother with this guy. Green blood. I know, right?
Barry?
What is it?
What is it?
It's a monster!
Let me take care of this.
It's funny with the green blood. That's nice. I like that. It's a nice change. What is it?
What is it?
Was killed too. Maybe by this creature. Anyway, let's report this to Wesker.
I saw one guy beating this game in 26 minutes. I kid you not. I saw a guy on YouTube beating this game in 26 minutes. I'll skip the cutscene. No, not the cutscene, I mean. Wesker!
Help me look for him, Jill. And don't leave this hall for the time being.
I'm not gonna skip the cutscenes because they're awesome.
Nothing. What is this all about? I can't figure it out at all.
Beats me too.
Now it's Wesker's time to disappear. I don't know what's going on.
Well, it can't be helped. Let's search for him separately. I'll check the dining room again.
Okay, I'll try the door on the opposite side.
This mansion is gigantic. We could get into trouble if we get lost.
No, it's not. I watched the whole thing, Jack. No, it's not.
Okay? And...
Dada.
Here's the lockpick. It might be handy if you, the master of unlocking, take it with you.
Thanks. Maybe I'll need it.
Because I stretched the game screen so much for
If something happens,
the capture, some pixels are flickering. Well, that's fine. I don't feel like fixing it. I mean, I could easily fix it by shrinking it again, but whatever. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pick this up. I don't know, I don't think I need it, but let's pick it up, why not? And let's get started. Okay, here we go with the knife. Oh, he's taking a step back. Nice. Okay, you have to grab the stylus every single time. It's nice. But it's so much easier than the emulator. Ooh. And there's stuff on the floor. Nice clips. 3? 3 only? The game only gave me 3. I'm not going in there. There's no need to go in there. What the heck? Where's the handgun? Why did I de-equip the handgun? What's going on? Alright, hold on. What am I doing? Type B? No, 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 no. Why was the handgun not equipped? I equipped it already. Why is she not running around? What's going on? Oh no, I changed the controls, I think. Hold on, now let's fix this. Let's just get rid of the dog and then we'll take care of the controls. Did I not say magazines? Alright, why is it not running now? I changed something, I think. Hold on. What am I doing? Oh man! Alright, so that's how it was then. Okay. There we go. So, magazines, Logie, those are magazines. Didn't I call them magazines? I don't know, I thought I did. I don't know. Nothing on the floor? No magazines on the floor? You said clips? Oh, I did say clips, it's true. No, 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 no. Oh, come on! I'm still trying to get used to the controls. There we go, that was fast. How's the quality of the stream, by the way, guys? Except how the game looks awful because it's on DS. But other than that, the sound and all that stuff. Ooh, herbage. Sweet, sweet herbage. I don't think she can unlock this with the lockpick, no? Nope. Nopey, nope, nope. Oh. He's ripped. Bring out the wine? No, never wine. Never wine. It's awesome. Thank you for the feedback, Angelo. I love that you can skip the doors. It's fantastic. It's like the best thing ever. Yet most of the time I forget to skip the doors. Oh, come on, man. This stupid reload. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna trust. Still not good enough. Sorry. Ah, it's because it's on Rebirth. I think it's harder on Rebirth. Does anybody know? Hey, this was the first Resident game I ever played in my life, so it's exactly how I remember it. Of course, yeah. So it must have looked so much better when you played it on the PlayStation, I suppose. Hey, you must have noticed. And strictly speaking, this is much more of an improvement, except for the graphical improvements. But yeah, this is much better. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Do you still have your DS copy, Jack? Do you still have it, or is it long gone?
Hey, what's going on?
Jill? Is that you, Jill? What happened?
Barry, help me, please. The door won't open. Quick!
Stay away from the door, Jill. I'm gonna kick this door down. Hurry! This way!
Oh, Barry!
Oh, Barry!
That was too close. You were almost a Jill sandwich.
You're almost a gibble sandwich.
Barry,
You sold it. Oh no. Actually, this copy that I bought is from Spain. It came from Spain.
To the dining room to do some research? Why on earth are you here?
I just had something I wanted to check. Now, let's get back to searching for the lost captain and Chris, shall we?
I'm really enjoying playing this because I'm holding my DS in my hand, holding the DS in my hand, but I'm looking at the big screen on the TV because, you know, I'm capturing. It looks so much better. I mean, it feels good. What the heck? No, 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 no. Out, 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 out. I need to heal. Alright, so I'm gonna heal real quick. And I'm gonna go out again. Do I need to reload? Ah, wrong button. Not really, but I'm gonna... just in case. It would be funny if it was my copy. No, no, I only bought it like last month or something. Let's try again. Because he came running. Ah, no, it's like this. So funny. Come get it, zombie. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. It's so awesome. Nice. And I saved some ammo like that. No, 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 no! Not again! It's still, I have to deal with these guys. That's so strange, I still had to do that. That is so strange. I thought I killed them like that. That is so weird. Oh, man. There's another guy over there, I know. I know, I know. That's so stupid, though. Wow. What a mansion! Alright, so... well, here we go again. If I time my attack correctly, like that, I will save time, apparently. That's how it's done. That's what I'm talking about. Hold on, there's something on the floor. Thank you. Wow, look at the ammo. It's like ridiculous. Yes, it's deadly silence. That's right. You passed gas silently. Aha, very funny. That's a nice joke. I like that. How are you, Sakura? But now I have two versions. RE1 being the one remake version of the GameCube, and the other original port. Yeah, the one with the horrible music, right? The one with the terrible music. Alright, let's do this. A picture of a newborn baby. Switch? Yes. And then there's an infant. You're doing okay? That's good to hear. So, infant, and then after the infant, lively boy. And then after the lively boy, young man. I think it's over here. No, that's not it. I think I made a boo-boo actually. The young man is the picture you can't see. The one over here. It's so funny how many times I finished this game recently and I still... young man? It looks so different, you know? Alright. I love to be part of your live audience. Ha! Ha! Come over. Come over and you'll be part of the live audience. You like that, huh? You like that. I think it's this one now. Picture of a bold-looking old man. There's a switch. Will you push it? Did I miss anything? I don't know. Picture. The GameCube port to PS3. Wait a minute, what are you talking about? The GameCube game port? Okay, I know what you mean. So you don't have the classic, the actual classic, right? You have the game and the digital port for the Come over and you'll be part of my live audience. I never record in front of people because I feel awkward. It's true. You should get it. You should get it, Jack. It's good. It's a good game. Look, it's a good game. Uh-oh, I think I need to... Oh, no. What? No. Oh, man, this is not good. No. No. Out. I'm on danger, my goodness. That's not good. I'm on danger. Do I have any healing? Nope. I need to be careful. This is not good. No bueno. You unlocked it. So fast, my goodness. No! Oh my goodness! He made the run for it. Oh man, I haven't even saved once. I mean, it's not still the beginning of the game, but anyway. Oh man! Come on! Wow, it's so hard. It's really hard, giggity, but it's true. Wow, I'm gonna start over. And at least I didn't... Wow, man! It's hard! I'm going again. Yeah, by the way, Sakura, when can you co-op? This week. Co-op. Operation Raccoon City. You, me, Jack. Maybe we get... I'm skipping everything now. I'm skipping the cutscenes. Yeah, when can you do it? When can you go? I skipped everything. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna switch. Oh, okay. I was already equipping it.
What is this?
Nothing. Skip. 8 p.m. my time, 2 a.m. your time. So 2 a.m. my time and 2 a.m. your time, Jack, as well. How about that? Do you like that? How about that? Do you like that, Jack? 8 p.m. her time, which would be 2 a.m. your time and my time. Would that be okay? That's okay. Let's go. Yeah, time zones are a bit of a pain, but that's fine. I can go at 2 a.m. It's not a problem for me. Which day now? Yeah, let's determine a day. Which day? Except tomorrow, huh? I can't do tomorrow. So how about Friday, perhaps? Don't call me late for dinner. What? Alright, let's go. Should I pick it up? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna skip everything and I'm gonna try my best to own this. It's hard, huh? He should have 2 rounds of magazines. One is gonna give me 15. Oh, that's good. And another 15. Nice. I'm satisfied. Get it. It's 2 a.m. 8 a.m. Yes, dinner time. Wait. Whichever is easier for you, Sakura. 2 a.m. is Friday. Yeah, I mean, yeah, strictly speaking, it will be my Saturday, really. It will be a Saturday for us. For me and Jack. Bruh. Bruh. Alright, let's go again for this one. Hold on a sec. No, I need the key for here, right? Why is she not trying? Okay. Lol, confusing. It will still be Friday for you, I think. It will still be Friday, but it will be... Uh-oh, here we go. Yeah! Okay, we got this. Dada lost. Haha! Sucker! Sorry, I'm laughing. Yeah, I've used the lockpick. Alright, now I got the controls down. So we should be okay. Alright, we got this now. There we go. I'm gonna reload because I don't want to. I know it's strange, but I have to. It's better like this. It's better this way. There we go. More clips, please. I feel like I'm playing better now. So, yeah. 30, 45. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. What I need is to pop a few heads when I'm cornered. So, this is here. So how about it? Friday, 2 PM your time. Okay, quickly, quickly. I don't know if he's gonna get up again. I don't have to find out. I'm gonna skip all the cutscenes again so I can quickly... Yeah, 2 AM, which will be Saturday for me. 2 AM for me, and 8 PM for you. That's a 6-hour difference. Much better. Oh, come on, man. Stay down, sucker. Wait, 2 AM for Sakura? No, don't confuse me, man. Time 2 AM for us, that's right, yeah. That's right. Yes, that's right. True is 9 hours away from me. Because I've been to California, so I know the time zone difference.
What's going on? Oh, Barry!
Oh, Barry! Let's go. Alright, what are we gonna get? I have to grab the stylus real quick. If it's one of those. No, 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 no. I panicked, you see? Oh my goodness! Oh man, how fast they come at you. I have to keep holding... I'm gonna hold my... I can't hold my stylus while playing though. No, it's not gonna work. I have to heal up because I'm gonna die. My goodness, man, how hard. Let's try again. Now this. Wow, game. Oh, come on! What the heck? What did she do? No! No! Why did she change? Why is she no longer holding the gun? Oh my goodness, what's going on? What the heck, man? What is going on? She wasn't holding the gun. No, man. Shotgun. Oh, man! No! No! My goodness! Ah, that is so cheap. No, I never went to visit Shruno. No. Now I'm gonna change weapons again. Eee, how cheap that was. That was really cheap. Not a glitch, it's just... What's he doing? It's amazing. Wow. I have to do the thing again now. The heck, man, stay away from me. Man! This happens a lot in Rebirth though. Okay. That's good to know. Man, wow. That's difficult. Alright, I don't care. Let's go. We're on fine now. I've used up everything, but... Let's go again. This thing. It wasn't really rage, it was like unbelievable. I couldn't believe what was happening. Because I'm good at this game, come on! I mean, good as it gets. If I do say so myself. No! No! I'm not gonna go in to put the crest for now, huh? If you think that's difficult, wait for you on and touchscreen mode. I know, right? I'm gonna be saving a lot in this game. I didn't think I was, but I'm gonna have to. Alright, so I'm not going in there for now. I'm just gonna make sure that I have ammo because I don't feel like reloading in front of him. Remember how fast this guy was? He didn't give me a chance. Come on, sucker. That'll slow you down. Piece of... Alright. Anybody else? No. An herbage, which is handy. Oh man, this. I'm gonna need to open that though. Definitely. So I got more bullets. What did I do? Oh, I got shotgun shells as well. Oh, nice. Well, we're gonna be okay, actually. I think we're gonna be fine. All right, hold on. I'm gonna do the box thing now, real quick. Look, oh yeah, because I unequipped the gun now. Because I put it in the box. It's like the original mode, yeah, exactly. The chest is locked. Examine it. Yes, let's do this now. How is this done? I forgot. So, yeah, I need to get the colors matching or something. This one's fine. No. That was easy peasy, but it's gonna get harder now, I know. I am aware of that. Oh, red herbage. Okay, that's fine. You know what? I'm gonna save. And let's go. Making sure that I have enough ammo. Oof, wrong button again. Yeah, let's combine. I forgot to take the shotgun shells with me, but it's fine. I'll just use the handgun for the time being. I don't trust this guy. I'm not gonna hit him? Really? Really, game? Nice. I think that both of the doors here are locked. Oh, there's a guy up here as well. Hello, sucker. Hello. Hello. There we go. Yeah, the door up there is definitely locked as well. That's what I'm trying to go for, actually. To unlock the rocket launcher. We'll see. This is not easy, huh? Not the reload! No! Come on! That's cheap. I have to start reloading the ammo every time I go into another room. That's how it's gonna have to be. Okay, that's fine. I don't need to go there. GG? What the heck is that? I don't trust this guy. Never seen a guy on the floor. That's weird. Okay.
Barry!
Jill, what's going on? Any clues?
No, but something's wrong with this house.
Whoa.
This hall is dangerous. Whoa.
Secure our escape route first. There must be a back door somewhere.
Giggity.
Let's try to find it first, shall we?
Okay, let's separate again.
Just a moment. I found something.
What is it?
It's a weapon. It's really powerful, especially against living things.
What?
Better take it with you.
But how about you, Barry?
Especially against living things.
This.
I have this.
Thank you. I'll take this then.
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna equip. I'm gonna combine these again because I'm not trusting anything now. Equip. So also keep in mind that in rebirth mode some key items are in different items. Yes, yes. I've been playing advanced mode, which is pretty much the same thing. Oh guys, I want to show you something, but we need to find a good angle. Let's find a good angle here. Maybe this is a good angle. Let's touch Jill's butt. Ready? Did you hear that? I touched her butt with the stylus. Let's try again. Let's try again. Alright, let's touch her front now. Let's touch her front. Alright, let's get a better get a better angle. I think there's better angles here, I think. Yeah, this is better. Hold on. Let's do it better here. Now her front. Now her front. Alright, let's go. Nice, eh? Alright, I don't like this. I think Forrest is gonna wake up. Forrest, please, please, please. Yeah, there he is. I don't want to take any chances. I'll tap Chris. Stop touching her! Do not tell me what to do. I touch her tra-la-la. Let's go. I will touch her anytime I want. Alright, I'm gonna switch weapons again. You were telling me to look at the map earlier. I don't know why you said that, but I'm always looking at the map. It's another awesome thing of having this game. So, which way do I go? I'm gonna go this way, I suppose? Yeah. Oh, come on, really? Oh man, these crows. How am I gonna deal with the crows? Oh man, the crows, the crows, the crows. There we go. Whew. He's not bleeding. He's gonna get up again. I know it. And I think I'm gonna have to reload. I thought he wasn't dead. Like, what? Dude. It is harder on this console, I think. But no, because it's been modified to be harder. I hope this doesn't mess me up. No, 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 not the crow, not the crow, not the crow. Alright, that one's done. Is there gonna be another one? Yes. I need to be careful here, huh? Oh, in danger. Hey, Timothy! Welcome. How are you? I'm not trusting anything or anyone. It is so much harder. I'm actually kind of concerned. I'm scared. Alright, let's get in here and regroup, reorganize ourselves. And here I thought I was gonna speedrun this thing. Yeah, right. Even the music is different. Can you notice how the music is kind of different? It's the same theme, but... Alright, so what I'm gonna do is... I need healing. No. I'm gonna go to a lot of to a place that has a lot of healing, so should be okay. So let's do this now. I have 4 swaps to make. Okay, it's easy, I think. I don't think it is. No, it's not reset. How do I reset? Okay, let's try again. So I need to get the yellow up there. Okay, so I think I have to do this. And this. No. So. Oh, noes. No. Try again. So the yellow one has to go up there. So I think the first move has to be like this. Nope. Nope. Try again. No. Nope, nope, nope. I feel like the first one is this for sure. Nope. Come on, man! This is so hard. Nope. Come on, man. Does anybody know? No. Nah, just there's that the one up there. Gah! No. I don't want to look it up. I don't feel like looking it up. I feel like this has to be the first move. Actually, no. I don't think so. Or is it? No. I'm trying to figure out 4 moves, but Vloggy is killing me. Why am I killing you? What am I doing? I'm not doing anything. So, like this. And then... like this and like this. Oh, I got it! I got it. Booyah! Red herbage. Okay, fair enough. How am I doing inventory, space, slots, things? Alright, we're gonna be okay. Did I save? I don't think I did, eh? I'm gonna save, I don't care. It took me forever. Yes. Alright, so save, yes. Amy! How are you, Amy? I'm playing this on the DS today. Alright, so please no monsters. I'm gonna get my gun ready. Oh, and I need to reload. Combine? So much harder. Ah, okay. Stay on the floor, sucker. Ah! What the heck, man? I wasn't expecting... No! No, 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 no! Since there was a zombie on the floor, I was like, I'm safe. There's not gonna be any monsters now. But no! You son of a biscuit. You son of a biscuit! Alright, you son of a biscuit! No, don't check the door now! I know it's locked. Wow. Reload the gun, please. There we go. Now, who's next? Is there anybody here? Yes, there is. He's gonna make a run for it, you see that? Zombies are so much faster. Like you wouldn't believe. Alright, he's dead. So Epic Games came up with this game that combines zombie games with Minecraft. Alright, wow. Whew. Hello? Hello, zombie? Hello? Come get it. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. I'm on danger, but I'm okay. Ah, man. I think there's a glitch where you can get past this plant without even putting the... But I don't want to try it. I don't want to risk this. So, I'm gonna grab a bunch of herbages. I don't think the items are placed in different areas. I think they're all in the same place. I think. Reload the gun as well. Look at that. I'm almost out of ammo. Ah, the key. Let's go. Should I backtrack now? There's no point in going there. Let's go here. Hold on. I still don't have enough room though. So what do I do? Let's just go back and start over. Yeah, might as well. Not gonna pick up the gem for now. I know what I'm doing. Trust me, I'm an engineer. Key items. Yeah, I mean the key items are still in the same place as the classic, I noticed. Because I've been playing advanced mode. You want to check out the costumes real quick? I think if I can get access to that room, we'll see. There's a clip. Thank you very much. Come on! What the heck? Why was she hesitating to shoot? What the heck? It's like she... I don't know. I'm still on fire. I'm not gonna heal for now. Oh man, I need those. You know what? I shouldn't be walking around with the... I'm not gonna pick up the... If it's no, I'm not gonna pick this up. I don't need it. Herbage. At least I know where it is. I'll come back for it. You don't have the key. Yeah, I figured. That's okay. That is okay. No, man, not this! Alright. Whew. Ah, more stuff. I should be happy when I see these because they usually drop stuff, so... 2 bullets, but anyway. So, I'm gonna go here. Combine. Actually, I'm kind of full. And all there is herbs over there, so I'm just gonna skip. I'm gonna pass. You know what I'm gonna do though? I'm gonna use the key anyway, just... So maybe I'll discard it sooner or later. I would love to go put that emblem in its place, but... I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna put some stuff in the box. And I'm gonna put this in the box as well. There we go. Anything else? Nope. We're good. Actually, no. No, the key! This. I don't need it for now. Oh, I know this room. I'm gonna be okay. I thought there was gonna be zombies in here. Okay. Thank you. That's good. That's useful. I actually thought it was going to be a key item, but whatever. There's a lighter here. Yep. It's going to be shotgun shells here. No, it's just a clip. Okay, fair enough. Anything else? No. I'm going to check in between beds real quick. No, nothing. And red herbage. Gonna go down, get rid of the stuff, and I'll come back. I'm gonna get rid of this and this for now. I'll be back for it. It's so cool that you don't have to go through the stairs and the doors. I like that. I'm gonna go for the herb real quick here. That's all I'm gonna do. Look at this! I've never seen this before. What the heck? So weird. Listen to that music, it's different. Can you hear the music? What the heck is going on here? What the... I don't have scales. Examine the scales? Yes. What the heck? Nice, I got it right the first time. The music is so good. I was really enjoying the music, but I have to keep moving. So, over here, I need the... Should I go back? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. I'm sorry, lots of backtracking, but I have to get rid of that emblem. I don't need it. And I'm gonna be okay when it comes to healing as well. I think I should be fine, so... Alright. I just realized I think I'm gonna have to heal Richard. Richard! I'll pick one.
Richard, what happened?
Listen to the music, it's awesome. Try to mouth to mouth, really? Where's the microphone? Whoops.
No.
That was awesome! That was awesome.
This house is dangerous.
The acting has changed.
Demons. Ouch.
You're wounded. What kind of demon attacked you?
It was a huge snake, and also poisonous. Jill, here's my radio. You should keep it.
This is a different voice actor.
Set the dining room clock to 8:12.
No! Richard!
Jill, Be careful.
Okay, so wait, they have they have the opportunity to change the voice acting? And they still went with lousy actors? Oh man, that is awesome. I love that. Oh man, I didn't reload. I was scared. And I didn't bring my lighter with me. I hate myself! I was supposed to get the lighter with me! Oh, man! That's fine, let's go back for it. I don't care. While we're here, I'm gonna pick up the herb as well. I was supposed to get the lighter while I was away. Never mind. It's okay. It's not like it takes forever to get from one place to another. There's no door loading screens, so... There we go. Get the lights up, please. So what I'm gonna do is... Okay. Nope. Come on, get in. So, I should be able to go this side now. Ah! What more? Ah, good one, game. You got me. I didn't expect more. I thought it was over. Nice one. That made me jump. So we're no longer gonna need the lighter for now. Or ever. And I don't need these either for now. I didn't scare you, the game scared you. I just jumped, I reacted. No, but seriously. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this as well. For now. I hope I won't need it. I'm gonna reload as well. Man, I'm really enjoying this this version of the game. It's harder, yes, but... No, come on! There you go. So expect another one. Don't get scared, okay? Expect another one. I'm not done. I'm sure there's another one. No? Oh, wow. Ah, the game still has some surprises. No, we already dealt with dogs over there. So I wasn't expecting for more to jump. That was a nice surprise. Nice, unpleasant surprise, actually. What am I saying? Alright, more shotgun shells. Thank you. Clips. Or magazine, sorry, magazine. Is Jack still around? He's gonna yell at me. And we're done. We're done. Okay, we're good. Now I know what to do next. No, 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 not this! Ah, man. I wasn't in time to grab my stylus. Man, I wasn't expecting that. I have to, you know, grab my stylus from the disc. Because I can't play with the controller. No, well, with the game in my hand, with the stylus in my hand, I just can't do that. That was fine. That was okay. That was okay. We're good. We're good, guys. We're good. We're good. Oh, come on. This game. The shotgun looks like a big pipe. Actually, the shotgun looks like a grenade launcher. It's Moonlight Stonata. Stonata. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was pouring myself a drink, but I didn't have time to take a sip. Let's go. Oh, no, wait. I need to get the emblem. Every room that I go through, there's like a random possibility, a random chance for a knife encounter. I don't like that. Taking the gold? Alright, whatever. You can't skip this one. Okay, I'm putting the wooden one. Let's go. I need to save. It's been a while since I saved. It's not moving. It's not moving, you see? It should move, but it's not. What's going on? Why? What's happening? This is happening. I got the key, but he said something about setting the clock to 8:12. Let me try something real quick. 8:12. Oh, there we go. There's something extra, I think. Oh, look at that! It fell out of the sky. Shotgun rounds fell out of the sky. That's nice. That's nice. Alright, I know where I need to go next. Hold on. Ah, nice. You see, the key items are all in the same place. So now, where do I go? I've got that key. That key takes me to... I don't know. This way. I need to go this way, I think. Hold on. Yes. I think. I don't know. Let's walk around. I need to save. Should I go upstairs? Let's go. Hold on. Are there any closed doors? I'm trying to think. Let's take the long way around. Just in case there's any doors that I'm not thinking of right now that I need to unlock. Let's go. No, I think it's time to go to the snake room. That's it. Time for a snake. I want to go in this room, but if there's too many dogs and I cannot handle them, should I try? Ugh, I'm too scared. Maybe I should just use the shotgun. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. Let's try this. Did I equip the shotgun? No. I'm gonna let go of the stylus. One's down. Alright, we're good. I can't carry many, but whatever. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine them. I don't care. Oh, I just noticed there's a zombie on the floor as well. I need to be careful. Look at that guy. Nice try, man. I almost didn't realize. Ah, I'm full. Okay. I'm gonna have to leave one behind. That's okay. One or two? Hey! Look who it is! It's V4. Hello. Out. Careful when shooting dogs, Loggy. They have a moment of invincibility when they are getting up. I noticed, Levi. Thank you. Yes, I did notice that. Not good. No bueno. Can you hold your pipe for me? Okay, here we go. Watch. Holding the pipe for you. Yeah? Okay? Happy? Oh, yo. So no, I'm gonna go here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of some unnecessary stuff, which is this. And I think I'm okay. You know what? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna remove this, and I'm going to equip. Yeah, why not? Where's the bazooka? Bazooka! And I'm going to need... Where's the increment? There it is. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a bit of a... playing around, but I'm gonna save. I don't wanna risk it. Because I'll rage. Takes Vloggy's shotgun. Alright, so... Alright, so I'm gonna put that back in. I don't think... I think I only need the key once, eh? So that will free up another inventory slot, hopefully. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna quit my bazooka, actually. Bazooka! That's so awesome that you can skip the doors. I love it. I'll never get over it. This way. Hang on, did I take this herb? Yes, I did. I didn't take it. I tickle it. Oh! Shh, V4. Hold on, you only use the key once, yes? Yes, nice. Yes, nice. Go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm not looking forward for this, though. I'm not looking forward for this. But at least I saved it. What do you use to stream? Internet. I use internet to stream. I use OBS. Let's do this. Ah! What the heck? I'm not gonna trust. We're still good, okay. Ah, Saka! I could have easily went for it, but I didn't want to risk. Fight that snake, Vloggy! I did. Okay, let's not waste any time because she can actually die out of poisoning, so yeah. In fact, I think that I'm still on fine for so far. So far, so good. A wild yawn appeared. I like that. Okay. Rob that snake. Am I poisoned? That's the music from the main hall.
Poisoned.
I love this.
Give me the serum.
I think that was Wesker, eh? I think that was Wesker. I already said Thunder. I use OBS. OBS. Open Broadcaster Software. It's just a hangover. Oh,
Barry.
do you have hangovers, V4? Do you have hangovers? I don't. I'm superhuman. Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do next, I'm gonna get rid of I'm gonna get rid of the bazooka once again, so I don't need that. And I'm gonna take the... Where's the... So, yeah, whatever. Handgun. And now, I'm gonna need the wind crest. And now, I'm gonna need the sun crest. And where's the other one? Star crest. I'll replace it with this one. Are we gonna be okay? I don't trust it though. Alright, let's go. I've never had a hangover, really. You don't drink? Me neither, I don't drink either. Combine. So, what I need to do is go back to where I came from. Actually, I'm trying to think. Whatever. Let's go. I think after all these years, I finally memorized the house. Finally, I memorized the mansion. It took me forever to memorize the mansion. I'm gonna go through here, actually. It's easier this way. Yeah, I finally memorized it, the whole thing. Never. And silly vloggy, your blood type is the same as mine. Tequila. Nice! That means I get rewarded for that. Nice, again. Nice. So I should get rewarded twice, I think. No, just once? Okay, fair enough. Some handgun ammo? Fair enough. I love the green blood. It's awesome. Please, no more dogs. Please, no more dogs. Thank you. I haven't had tequila in a very long time. I think it's time. I want to do a tequila shot stream with Resident Evil 2. I really do. But there's one thing. I need to get 2K subs before I do that. It's just I promised myself I'd do that. Alright, here we go. I hate this part. This is where I died earlier, I think. Ah! No! Alright, I'm not gonna deal with the crow. Uh-oh. She's coming for it, huh? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Need to be fast. Who remembers Dang Big Boy? I think nobody does. It's the old vloggy days. Oh man. Quickly, 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 quickly. Ah, like a pro. Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? The handgun is in this RE is the same. Hold on. It's the same. Samurai edge design. The original one has a barrel. Oh, okay, I don't know. You need to speak to Jack about that. I refer you to the guns department. Jackhammer. The guns department. I wouldn't know. To me, they're all the same. They all go pew pew pew. As Sakura would say. I don't think I've ever seen you in my streams before, Thunder. But mentioning Doug Big Boy, you must have been here a while on my channel, because that's a very old video that I made. Will you take the crank? Jack, are you there? Calling the Department of Shotguns and an old barrel. Alright, I'm gonna switch the weapons again. I think actually here is... let's see. Oh yeah, there it is. Here we go. 1, 2. Nice. Nice. I'm about to get rewarded. Oh, there's tiny spiders here. And there's also dogs. Nice. Let's just get that out of the way first, and then I'll come back. Maybe the spiders will vanish. It's so satisfying. There's no more dogs. Nice. So I'm gonna pick up few... Actually, I'm okay for now. Maybe I'll pick one. Just one. Let's just pick one. Okay, Sakura. TYT. TYT. Starting to get hungry. Man, it's 9:30 p.m. I'm not gonna eat now. It's too late. More spooders on the floor. They don't do anything though. Time to use the crank. Although it's very pixelated, I think it's still very impressive that there's an FMV on a cartridge. I find that very impressive. I never thought I'd buy another DS game. And I did. Uh-oh. No! No! This guy always gets me! That was nicely placed, that over there. That was very cleverly placed, that zombie over there. It's auto-aiming at the shark. Does it hurt me? No. Oh man! No! I don't feel like dealing with them now. I don't feel like dealing with them now. The music is different here as well. It's pretty much the same, but I can tell it's different. I'd like to get this out of the way. So many different versions of this game, it's amazing. It's amazing how many versions of this game there are. Like I was playing one last week, a version of RE1 as well. There were multiple cracks on the floor where the plant can attack you. Not just this one hole over here. There was one in front of the red door as well. It's so weird. Ah, man! I boo-booed. Okay. Oh, no! No, 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 that's not fair. Ah, crap! That was useless. Ah, never mind. I should have reset the whole thing. But never mind. So, I'm gonna take out the Incribin real quick. Do I have a green herb or something? Yes, I do. But I should mix it with the red herb, actually. I shouldn't use it. So, hold on. I don't need the crank for now. Gonna take the shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. Alright, that should be okay. I'm feeling cold now. There we go. I'm gonna switch off the AC, it's too cold in here. Still here, what's up? We were talking about the gun. Apparently it's different than... Or is it the same? I don't know. Three green herbs to do a pile of grey ones. I never understood that. Me neither, Debbie. Yeah, they were talking about the magazine. The handgun is the Ari, that samurai edge design. The original one that has a Beretta 9 M92F design. You see, I can talk guns, or I can just read what Levi just said. No, but alright, I'm gonna put this back here. And even this, actually, I don't need this. I kind of wish I just had one green herb. I do. Alright. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this puzzle. This might take a while. I'm sorry, guys. But I have to. I have to look at my DS. So... Okay, so this one is different. Okay. So... First attempt. First attempt. Booyah. First attempt. Shotgun shells. Nice. I think I'm gonna stick with the shotgun from now on, I think. I probably should do that. I'm gonna save again. It's so nice and quiet now. Once again, is the audio okay? Can you hear me okay, guys? Is the game audio too loud? Am I too loud? Give me feedback, please, so make sure everything's fine. Sometimes I watch my own streams afterwards to see what the quality is like, and like, it was awful, man. Nobody said anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of this. You know what? Maybe I should stick with the... Should I stick with the shotgun now? I'm gonna... Sounds okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for the feedback. Nice try, sucker. Nice. Anybody else? Somebody wants to get some of this? The music is amazing. I love the music. Thank you, Timothy. Listen to what Timothy says. Alright, so I got the red book. I don't think the red book originally was here, so some stuff is changing around. I'm gonna open this real quick. I love the music. Yeah, because this version is as old as the first version on the of the DS. Okay. Nice! Look at all the shotgun shells I'm getting. Can I get 100? Okay, this stuff. I don't think there's anything here, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
What the?
What's going on? No! Look at that! Oh, man, I wasn't expecting that. Control room key. She went, what the? Actually, the maximum per item space is about 127. That's nice that you know that. I don't think I'll ever see 127 shotgun shells. Ah! Nice. That's how it should be done. Alright, so I think I picked up something. Yes, herbage. Nice. Whew. Nice. Alright, so I need to go here. Do I need to go here now since I got the book anyway? I don't know. And I need to check something real quick. Oh, I forgot I didn't move this properly yet. Let's do this. Because usually it's the first thing I do. The music is epic. It really is the best version. It's the best Resident Evil 1 port, I think. The guy I bought it from, I checked the save. He never finished the game. No, I gotcha. Okay, so I'm gonna go quickly in that room, see if there's anything I need to pick up. I'm not gonna battle with the spiders. Over there, over there, over there! Run, 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 run! I don't need the ink ribbon. What's this? I'll take this. I don't think there's anything in this room of use. I think. Anything? Anything? No, 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 no. I'm gonna look around real quick. I don't think there's anything, no. Because I got the book already. Usually the book is in here. Ah, nice. Alright, we're good. So, yes, I told you. I save a lot of ammo as long as infinite ammo is not around. Alright, so. Did I tell you I save a lot of ammo as long as infinite ammo is not around? Yeah. Spiders. Okay, so we're good. This way? Okay, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. I think we're gonna... No. I grabbed my stylus. Nothing. Okay, let's go. I like how the game adds a few more things. Ah, here we go. Nice! Nice! I have to say nice every time I do this, because it's hard to achieve. Ah! Nice! Spider nice! Spider nice. Alright, so, I didn't get any achievement. No, no reward! Really? But I did! It's locked. Do I have to do the keypad thing? I could if I want, but I don't need to do this, really. I don't need to do this. Unless there's good stuff in there, I don't know. There's a key here. Pick up and out. Out, 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 because of the bees. I hate the sound, I hate the bees, I hate everything. I don't think they're bees, actually. They're wasps. Ah, nice. Good stuff. You know what I should do? Hold on. What am I doing with stuff? I'm full. I'm gonna need all of this, though. I can't get rid of any. That's fine. I need to get rid of some stuff, though. Whatever. We'll see. I got rid of this key. Okay. But still, I don't think I can pick... I'm gonna pick up one for now. Let's be greedy. Why not? It's so quiet now without music. It's just the sound of my voice. And back to music. Hello, zombie. Hello, sir. Whoa! There's also spiders. Seriously? There's also a quick turn. I like that. Look at the quick turn. There's quick turn. I like that. I got hit. Looks like it. No, I didn't. No. But I used it anyway. I don't care. What is this? At 42 report. Really? Really? Haha, nice. 69 shotgun shells. Can I reload anytime I want? Yes, that is awesome. I forgot about that. Manual reload, nice. Now, are you kidding me? There's also bees here? Oh man. Stupid bees. I wasted all those shotgun rounds for nothing, and then I knifed it. Easily. No, don't push it over there. This takes forever. I think I can pick it up. Can I? I'll pick it up on the way back, just to be sure. Now this is annoying. You see there's a valve handle over here? Man, I have to deal with that. Sprinkler effect has been activated. Oh no! The water's changing color. It's poisonous! There's a valve here. Turn the valve? Yes. There we go. That was so hard to do it on the emulator, my goodness. But with the stylus, it was a piece of cake. There we go. How's my battery doing, by the way? Oh, I can't check. Never mind. What the? No! I remember this! Alright, so they have to make 15. Alright, so I should start from the one in the middle, actually. They should come to 15. So 9 plus... I don't know, let me just put 1 over there. And 5 over here. And then this needs to be 3. Okay, and this needs to be 2. Alright. And these 3 need to be... Oh my goodness, I forgot this. No, it doesn't work. Oh, let's start over. Most hated puzzle maths. I love maths, but not when I have to play a game. Like, come on, man. This will take me forever. So, with 9 in the middle... Alright, I have to start with these first. So, we said we can put the 1 over here, perhaps. And then put the 5 over here. Now here we put... These 2 need to make 3, though, so it doesn't make sense. This has to be 1. This has to be 2. No argument about that. Has to be like that. No other way. And this to make 15, we need a 5 here. So this has to be correct for sure. And then this and this need to make 15, so I'm assuming... Okay, so... Oh, it doesn't make sense. All those need to make 15, I think. Hey, yes. Yes, that's right. Okay, so that's my boo-boo. Okay, never mind. Alright, that's the boo-boo. Let's focus on making 15s at the bottom first. So... This needs to be 3 as well. Alright, so that's how it is. And... 6 plus something needs to be... Alright, so we got the 15 over there. But still, 9 needs to be here, no? 9 has to be here. I think the game gave me 9 over there, so we don't change that. So maybe over here we use a... I'm confused. This has to be correct. These over here have to be correct, for sure. So maybe the 6 is not correct? No, but it has to add up to 15. No, it's not adding up. Let's start over again. If the game is giving me a 9 in the middle, I'm assuming the 9 has to stay there. No, it doesn't work like that. So, no, here needs to be 2 perhaps. Here needs to be 4. And here needs to be... No. Man. Alright, let's start over. I don't know, I'm expecting this to be this and this and this to be this and this to be this. I don't know, I'm thinking this is correct. No. No? Okay. Eight plus what equals 15? 8 plus 7? Yes. Okay, I think I got this. No! Really? So close. Really? Come on. Ah, they're not totaling to 15 here. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm hot. I'm hot again. I'm gonna switch on the AC once again. This puzzle is making me hot. Okay, so the total here needs to be 15. For sure. So if this is a 1, this has to be a 5. This has to be a 3. No, that's 2. Alright. This has to be... Well, that has to be a 3 then. Alright. This is what confuses me next. I think I got the middle part for sure. These need to be 15. Now how about the 7 and the no. Alright. Doesn't work like that because I'm gonna replace this with a 5 now. No. No. I'm gonna look this up. I give up. I don't care. I'm gonna look it up. Because I think it's impossible. I mean, it's not impossible, it's impossible for me. You'll notice a flashlighting panel next to the door. Examine it to find the maths puzzle. Yay! So lots of arrows with different numbers on them. Well, they are... okay. Thanks, Capcom. The walkthrough actually says, thanks, Capcom. Alright, so long version. Now, why is there a long version and a short version? If you're not mathematical, however, this puzzle is nigh on impossible. So let's break it down. If you're not mathematical, this puzzle is... I am mathematical. I'm really good at math, but it's... So, what adds up to 9 to make 15? We have two options. 5, then 9, then 1. Or 4, then 9. Yeah, I did those. Let me try with the 4 and 2. Let me try with the 4 and 2. Hold on. Alright, so let's try it like this. One has to be over here. And, well, to make an 8 now, we can't. No, doesn't work because I need another 4. It doesn't work like that. Hey, Lava Point, welcome. You're catching me at my worst moment right now. So it can't be a... hold on. No, it can't be a 4 and 2. Definitely not. Let's reset again. So it has to be 5 and 1. Has to be 5 and 1 here. That I got. I'm reading the walkthrough as we go. I understand the struggle of Resident Evil. Yep, the struggle is real. Alright, so moving on to the left boxes. Left boxes, okay? So no steps are forbidden, but you know what makes an 8 out of the target numbers to fill. So place a 3 in the right hand. Yes, I got that too. That one I know. I got that far. And I know what makes a 3 here as well, but a 2. So I got those, yes. Okay, so we choose option 2. Hold on, what? But you know what makes an 8, so place the 3 slot. Now what adds to a 3 to make a 15? We can't have 5, huh? What adds with 3 to make a 15? What? This doesn't make sense. No, I can't do math. It's just that it's not about the math. You need to keep up with, not to change the solutions from the bottom as well. That's the thing. All right. So that makes an 8. So place the 3 in the right hand. Oh. Place a 3 in the right hand. What? This doesn't make sense. No, hold on. We can't. I tried to reason this thing out, but I give up. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the numbers. I know the solution, but I don't wanna. I wanted to reason it out, not just be a lazy ass. There we go. I didn't want to be a lazy bum, but I wanted to understand what was going on. But anyway, whatever. Let's keep going. We're playing a game, not a puzzle. Let's keep moving. I don't want to waste a lot of time. It's not a speed run, but I would like to finish this in under 3 hours if possible. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but... $70 shells. 70 shells. Ah, oh, come on, really? These teeny tiny spiders damaged me? That's cheap. That's very cheap. Are you going to play the Chris scenario in the next stream? I should, eh? Yeah, I will. I want to make the best out of this game. I will. Alright, so I'm gonna heal. I don't need to heal, actually. So we're okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save, because I don't know what's next. I'm gonna save. Today, I was hoping I'd finish the Jill scenario, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. I don't know. We shall see. So, I'm gonna put those back in there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna quit my bazooka, actually. Explosive rounds. Where is bazooka? There you are. Alright, so. Can I move it with the... No, I can't. Never mind. Oh yeah, I was supposed to save as well. That's the main reason why I came here, actually. This is the 5th save already? Wow. I'm saving a lot, but I don't care. It's not an easy game. I mean, it is okay, but it sometimes gets really cheap and unfair. So... Can I combine? I have to use them up. That's fine. Okay, let's go. Nah, come on, man. Nice. You have to slice them at the very last minute. That, like that, you see? Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on, man. Like that. That's how it's done. Did I get any rewards? No, because I got damaged, I think. That's why. How am I doing? Am I on caution? Still on fine. We're good. I need to go here. Is it? No. Wrong room. It's the first wrong room in the game. Oh yeah, I was gonna pick these up. Oh, come on, man. Nice. Ah, I lost the bonus. Because if you don't get damaged, apparently you get rewarded. Oh, and I need to heal now. Oh, come on, man. Seriously? J-Volt. my goodness, I just realized you can see the pointer on the game, yeah. I just realized, sorry about that. My pointer was in the way. Sorry. I'm not looking forward for this. Let's go. Here we go. That was fast. Whoa, I almost pulled everything down with the wire. Whoa, almost made damage.
What the hell is this?
Barry!
Jill!
You saved me!
Yeah,
That was close. Thanks, Barry.
don't mention it. What a monster. I can't believe... What the hell is this place anyway?
Alright. I'm gonna pick this up. From over... What the heck is with this camera angle? Okay. I got the key. And bye, have a great time. I know I have to return to this room, but I don't remember why. Let's go.
Wesker!
Jill, so you're safe.
That's what I was going to say. Where on earth have you been? You disappeared from the hall all of a sudden.
I'm sorry, but I have my reasons. Perhaps you guys have met them? It was all I could do to protect myself against those strange creatures.
Is that right? Anyway, it's good to see you're safe.
Jill, our first priority is to get out of here.
Yes, you're right.
Now, there are a lot of rooms in that mansion that we can't get into because they're locked up. I have been looking around for clues.
Okay, I'll go to the other house and see if I can find any clues.
Will you do that? I'm counting on you.
Alright. Nice. Oh, let's squish the bee. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, yeah, so many improvements. So many improvements in this game. Even the quick turn, look at this. The quick turn. A quick turn! In Resident Evil 1! So what I'm gonna do... Quickly put some stuff inside. Actually... Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get rid of the grenade launcher. Actually, you know what? Now we're gonna run into hunters from now on. I think it's GG handgun from now on. Yeah. Yeah, it's GG handgun, no more. Should I save? No. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. If I do say so myself. So I'm gonna pick up this herb real quick. If I can manage to kill these off, these dogs out here. No dogs now, they're gone. Oh, that was nice. I'm not gonna pick up the radio, I don't care. But I'm gonna pick up these. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna pick these up real quick. Let's pick up the radio, why not?
This is Brad. I know you can't answer me, but somehow you
This is Jill. Brad? It's broken.
Alright, let's keep working. Alright, let's do this. I don't know how to avoid the... Ah! Come on, man! Are you kidding me with this right now? Wow. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna pick this up. It's gone. I'm gonna switch. Because of the hunter. I cannot trust the hunters now. Here we go. I took 2 hits, huh? I don't like that. Okay, I got 2 more. Okay. So, I can unlock this door now, but am I full on items? Yes, no problems. I'll be back. Oh, come on! We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. He left me some good stuff. Okay, that's nice. Okay. So, I'm gonna... get rid of all of this. We're good. Then, pick this up, all of it. I'll be back. I feel like I'm managing my inventory, my ammo and everything quite well. I think. Now then. Magnum rounds, but where's the Magnum? Should I pick this up? I don't know. Should I? Where do you get the Magnum from this game? I forgot. Goes in here, and I think I should be fine. Come on. Come on, make a move. Come on. He's not gonna move. He's actually moving backwards. I don't see him anymore. No! Come on! Seriously? Wow. There's another hunter over there. Oops, I forgot to switch the weapon. There we go. Should I go grab a healing item? I shoulda. Haven't saved in a while. I'm gonna go get it. I'm not gonna get lazy because of that. And I haven't saved in a while, so... There we go, just in case. I don't want to risk it. Vloggy, 2 questions. First, can you reload the gun anytime without accessing your inventory like Remake? Yes, you can. Except for the grenade launcher, though. Actually, let's find out. I got 5 and I got 2. Let's see if I can do it. Yes, you can. So you can do that. And second, do you have to unload and waste the grenade launcher to use different rounds? Yes. For that, yes, though. Yes. So... Both questions, the answer is yes. And I'm glad I got to show you. Alright, let's handle the yawn snake, I think. I know that the puzzle here is different as well. Look, there's no piano here, no, there's that thing. I have to spin the disc or something. Not a disc, it's a vinyl record. Yeah, there we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah! Then what happens? Yeah, you have to waste the ammo. Ah, I tried to dodge it. Did I just... I'm just doing this out of habit, and plus it saves time. It's dead. It's RIP. It's GG. Check this out, guys. Hey, Bori, welcome. Yeah, it's an awesome version. I'm gonna touch her butt now, okay? I'm gonna touch her butt. Ooh, I'm gonna touch her butt. Oh man, it's so satisfying. I'm gonna do it again. You wanna touch her front? Let's touch her front. Ready? I'm gonna touch her boobies. One more time. I'm sorry. One more time. Okay, I just saw Yawn dissolve, so I don't think there's gonna be another Yawn. I remember capable to switch between ammo and the grenade. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, I don't have any more, so I can prove it. And I'm still on fine. Look at that. I'm so good. It's too dark to see anything. It's funny, isn't it?
Jill, have you found anything interesting?
Yes, but I can't see very well.
How about going down to check by yourself? I have a rope here.
Oh, do you? Well, then I'll try to go down using the rope.
Wait.
Wait, what? What is this? What is this?
Hey, what's going on?
Now I've done it. Sorry, Jill. Wait. I'll go and get another rope.
Sorry, Jill. I'm stupid.
Barry!
Barry! Let's go. Oh yeah, wow, touch the grave. Oh my goodness, check out this puzzle, guys. If you've never seen this before, you're in for a treat. Touch the gravestone, yes. Wow, that wasn't easy. Alright. I think there's more creatures down here. We need to be careful. There should be hunters down here, no? Hold on, I don't want to waste. Only one left anyway, but... Is that a flamethrower? Yeah, something just got locked though. Is there a door over there? I think I missed the door. No. Alright. Let's go. Should I just use the flamethrower now? Why not? And then I'll put it back. I love this music. Don't mind me, guys. It's locked, you see. Oh, no! Come on, it finished already? Oh, man. That was cheap. No! Hold on. No! I wasn't supposed to go there. I didn't want to go there. I didn't want to go there. I didn't want to go there. Oh, whatever. Yee! No! Did you see that guy? Wow. Yeah, that is a very strong zombie. Good one, Levy. Nice one. Nice one. I think there's hunters down here. And I don't have enough rounds. There they are. Okay, I only have one of these. Are there any more? I'm scared now to check. I know, right, Levi? I know. It's very cheap. That zombie is very strong. Okay, so I got both of them. Okay, good. I wanted to check what's over here. I think there's just a bunch of ammo in the storeroom. Oh yeah, I need these. Oh yeah, I need everything. Give me the everything. Explosive rounds. Explosive rounds again. Thank yous. And I'll take this. It doesn't say that in the main game. Now you can move the elevator in the courtyard. It doesn't say that. It just leaves that up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna... I don't need to... I'm not gonna switch to the... how am I doing here? Ah, man! Yeah, pointless. Alright, so... I'm gonna do this real quick. No, not these guys! No, I don't feel like dealing with these guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna equip this guy. I don't know if it's gonna give me the book of the wolf or something. I don't know. Or if it's another ammo disc. I hope it's the book. That's a key item. Ah man, it's not the book, is it? Eric's letter. I've never seen that before. I want to take a look at the letter real quick. Eric's letter. Hold on. Dear David, I have a favor to ask. Can you look for a book I misplaced? Actually, it appears I lost it somewhere around the guardhouse quarters when I had a little too much to drink. It's very important to me. Please find it. Thank you. Alright, so that's why I have to revisit the plant 42 and attack the snake one more time. Alright. That's why. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can... Ah! Oh, my goodness. That was a genuine... Oh, wow. Man, that was a genuine scare. Something is with the sword. Yeah, sure, why not? I love this. Look at this. I need to remove it with the... I'm trying to remove it with the stylus. It's stuck in there. There we go. A different door. Never seen this kind of door. Oh, there was a zombie on the floor. There was a zombie attached to it. That's why. Ah, interesting. I find that very interesting and intriguing. You can't carry more items. I don't want that. Why am I here? And I don't want these anymore either. So this room was useless. Let's go back to the guardhouse. I don't think I'm gonna save Chris, to be honest with you, no. I don't think I'm gonna save Chris now. I'm gonna go for the easier options for the time being because it's my first time playing this on the DS and it's not easy. So yeah. You unlocked it? Ah, spiders, yeah. Just some zombies probably, yes. Yeah, just keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Okay, we're good. What? Dogs! There's dogs! There's dogs in the main hall! Can you save when there's dogs around? Yes, you can apparently. Wow. Never seen a safe room with enemies in it. That's incredible. Hello, doggies. Whoa, that is epic. Alright, let's do this. Ah, I'm damaged. Well, I'm still on fine, but just gonna leave it as it is for now. You know what? I expect to find more hunters this area, so I'm just gonna make sure I equip my more spiders. I don't need to deal with these guys. You spooders are okay. I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna let you live, spooders. There's hunters in here, huh? I know. Or not. Okay. So I don't trust this. I know it! Ah! No, really? Son of a biscuit. He hit me, but we're still on fine. There's a zombie over there. We're gonna be okay. Okay. And back with this. Alright. Actually, in the remake, you can make one come in. Just try to open the door. Okay. Alright, so, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna... Okay. I want the Magnum. I don't know where the Magnum is. I have no idea. Alright, so... I don't think I need this key anymore either. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep it around for now. Actually, no, hold on, buddy, hold on. I need the crank and I'm gonna replace it with this. We're good. I'm gonna save next in the guardhouse once again. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Anybody else? Are we good? We're good. I love that there's two kinds of enemies in the same room. I love that. That's so good. I'm gonna have to heal. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Green blood. This is probably a Nintendo request. Yes, yes. You can change the color of the blood. I'm enjoying it green, you know, just for a nice change. So what I'll do, I'm gonna go down here. You can change the colors, look. Blood color, green, red, green. I'm leaving it green. I'm gonna go to the guardhouse real quick. Actually, while I'm here, I'm gonna get rid of the battery. I'm not sure if this is faster, but I don't know. Nice. Ah, that stupid bite ruins everything for me. It ruins my my kill streak. Ah! God dang it! I still got an herb. I don't know how. I don't know how this works, honestly. There's something here. Oh, it's just a map. Oh, I should have gone up with the thing. I was supposed to go up with the... I'm so stupid. I was supposed to go up with the elevator. I tried that for the first time to see if I could do that. Now I have to go around again. Oh, what a waste of time. I didn't know you couldn't do that. Usually I just go up with the elevator, but I felt like taking this route for a change. I don't know. Oh game. Default censorship, I didn't know that. It was very stupid that I had to go around again. Oh well. I may have to do the knife again now. Come on! I lose my patience. I'm gonna go back to the guardhouse then. Isn't that an herb? No, I thought it was an herb. I thought it was a red herb. Nope, it was not. It's so cool. I'm playing this on the DS. Oh no. I'm playing this on the DS, but at least I'm looking at the TV, so I'm not looking at a small screen at least. So, how are we doing here? Let's just reorganize ourselves. So. I don't really need ammo because this is a knife battle, yes? So, yeah. I'm gonna get rid of... Oh, it's okay, no. And, yeah, get me an ink ribbon. There's only one left. I need to pick up ink ribbons next time. Let's go. There's gonna be a bee! There's gonna be a bee. Or a wasp. I don't know. Out of my way! No! Because the bee is violent. No! No! I wasn't expecting that. No! Ah! Well, I'm in the wrong room anyway. This is not the right room. That's okay. Next time we're gonna be ready for them. Yes? Yep. Let's be ready for them. They are dead. They are GG. No! I hear it, but I don't see it. I want to get rid of it. Really? Ah! No! Nobody catch me! Alright, this is it. Wait a minute. Oh, man! I have to take the other door. Ah, man, well played, game. You tricked me, game. But still. Alright, this is tough, I think. Let's see. Here we go. Ah, crap. Alright, I know what I need to do. It's just that it's not easy. Do I continue right from where I start at? From the fight? I don't know. Let's see. Where do I continue? As if I have to do the whole thing again. There's no save state, man. That's okay. Two shotgun shells are fine as well. That's good to know. Let's do this. I know what I need to do. I just need to do the slice right before he attacks. Come on. Like that. Like that. Ah, no. Nice. Oops. Ouch. Come on. Ouch, come on. Come on. My hands are all sweaty. This is not bad. Come on, I can do this. Let's give it one last try and then I'm gonna call it. If I fail one more time, I'm gonna call it. It's getting late for me anyway. It's 11 p.m. and I have to be up early tomorrow at 5, and so yeah. Okay, bye B, bye B. You're kidding me! You're kidding me! Freaking kidding me. Let's do this. Come on! I can use a healing item, I just realized. Okay. Come on! Oh man, I'm not doing well now. Oh man. No, I'm gonna try it again because I didn't know he could heal. So I'm gonna try again with the healing because I failed. One last one. One last one. Okay. You guys weren't kidding. The snake is hard. Ooh. Oh man. The snake was hard. Okay. Should be okay now. Come on. Run, 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 run. Don't hit me. You can't touch me. We got this. Come on, we got this now. I got 2 healings. I just need to land the swipes perfectly. One. Two. Ah, failed. You know what? No, 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 no. Nice, 3. Ah! Nice, 4. Five. Okay, heal. Ah! Nice, 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. That's 10 hits. 11. 'Alright! I did it. GG. Haha. That's like 12 hits, yes? Yes, you can heal in the middle of the fight. I only realized that like after 3 tries. But that's good. We got the thing. And how are we doing health-wise? Still on fine. Good. Let's examine the Doom book. I got 1 medal already. I didn't know you could. I just discovered it now as well. We're done here. Out. Ah! Ah! I'm not coming back here anyway, so there's no point to kill them. There's a bee here. I would like to save, but I realized I don't have any more. I want to save, but I can't. I have to keep playing until I find the... That's what's gonna have to happen. Alright. That's what I'm gonna keep doing then. It's gonna have to be it. I'm gonna keep playing until I find an ink ribbon. Let's go. Because I was planning on stopping here, but whatever. I really hate this part of the game. This is my least favorite. That's why I wanted to save and end it. So I'll continue it next time from here. Because I really hate this part. I hate it so much. So where do I go from here? I always confuse this. I think there is a safe spot here. Not so sure. Yeah, I knew it. But there's no ink ribbon. No ink ribbon. Ah, crap. I'm gonna have to keep playing then until I find ink ribbons. Shh. Are there any? Nope. Oh, thank you. I'm confused. I don't know which door.
Is that
Okay.
Jill?
Is that voice Enrico's?
Enrico's?
Yeah?
You're alive!
Wait there. Are you with anybody, Jill?
What? Oh no, I'm alone. But why are you asking?
Listen, the stars are going to be finished soon. Someone is a traitor. Everything was plotted from the start by Umbrella.
Enrico!
Enrico.
Who killed him, I wonder?
I don't need hang-on bullets. What? There's no crank? Okay. There it is. Oh, this again. Ah! I swiped, but it didn't work. Can I heal in the middle of these? Yes, you can. Alright, that's good to know. Come on! No, I'm not gonna risk it. My goodness. Where do I go? Is it this way? I think I see... No, I think I saw something moving in the dark. Ah! Nice. Ah! They're everywhere! Wow. Hey, final. Oh man, this game. It's not easy, man. It's not easy. I'm not trying to exaggerate. It's quite hard, actually. This version. Let's go. I could have skipped it. I don't know why. Yeah, on the DS, exactly. It's so hard. And even the control, it's like, it's not. I'm not complaining about the controls, but you know, it's not what I'm used to playing Resident Evil with my PS3 controller. You know. Hello? Anybody? All right, I need to do this run. I need to get this run working. Da 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 da. All right. That theme song always plays in my head. The Indiana Jones. I need to find some ink ribbons. Oh no! 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 Are you kidding me right now? There has to be another one. No? Oh man. I have to take out the giant spider now as well. What the heck? I'm out of ammo? Ah, man! I'm poisoned. Really? I can't tear it up. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Oh yeah, I forgot I have the... I have the knife. Alright, I'm danger, eh? I'm on danger. I need to find a save room real fast. Oh, increment! Oh, oh. It plays in my head when I'm doing normal tasks, making a sandwich, eating cereal. No, 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 no. Wow, that zombie makes weird noises and he's scary. Ah, okay. It plays in my... Ah, and that was tough. That was tough. I'm gonna use this. Oh, I'm poisoned as well, by the way. I almost forgot that I'm poisoned. We're good. We're back to being good. So what I'm gonna do next is... I'm gonna pick up this increment actually. I should do this puzzle. I want to do this puzzle, come on. This might take a while, but I'm gonna do it. Come on. So, 5 turns. That was fast. That was booyah. That was booyah. Nice. Nice, that was good. I didn't expect to do that so fast. I like these puzzles. So, that's good. Okay, we're good. Oh, you can't reload. I have to. Okay. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna call it, guys. This is where I'm gonna end it for today. I've been playing for a while and I need to get some rest. I have an early morning tomorrow. So yeah, that was it. Next time I'll continue where I left off. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It's my pleasure to have you in my stream. Thank you for keeping me company, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.